Hi everyone. Before we get started, I want to tell you that all of these tips come from technicians at this highly respected appliance repair shop in the city. So don't worry, we're going to get this fixed. When your Samsung microwave shows the C-D0 code, the first thing is not to panic. This error doesn't always mean something serious has happened to the appliance. At the shop, we've checked several cases, and we also researched forums and customer comments to explain clearly what's happening and how to fix it without complications. When customers arrive, many say, "Suddenly C-D0 appeared on the screen and the microwave isn't heating at all. What happened?" Some add that the buttons don't respond or that they hear a strange click when trying to start it, which tells us that the problem is likely related to the door or the door sensor. That's why we start by checking the door sensor and switch. This code usually appears when the microwave detects that the door isn't properly closed. One customer told us, "I pressed the door a little more carefully and the microwave started working immediately." As one of our technicians says, if the sensor doesn't detect that the door is closed, the microwave won't start. Most of the time, just cleaning and adjusting the door fixes it. We also check the electrical contacts and internal wiring of the door, because with daily use they can loosen or get slightly dirty, making the machine think the door is open. Some customers mentioned that after inspecting and securing the contacts, the error disappeared and the microwave heated normally again. No complicated repairs needed. Additionally, we pay attention to the door latch and hinges, since if they're worn or misaligned, the microwave interprets that the door isn't closing correctly and triggers C-D0. At the shop, we've seen customers surprised to discover that simply adjusting the hinges or replacing a latch made the microwave work perfectly again. We also check the control board and internal electronic sensors, because in less common cases, a communication failure between the door and the electronic board can generate C-D0 even when everything seems fine. Samsung technical bulletins recommend checking the door, sensors, and contacts first before considering a control board replacement. Finally, we consider cleaning the door edges and contacts, because grease, dust, or food residue can prevent the sensor from working properly. One customer told us, "I cleaned the edges and contacts with a damp cloth and the error disappeared. I couldn't believe it." This shows that sometimes the solution is much simpler than it seems.